How to add Facebook friends in Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add Facebook friends in Instagram within some steps. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like and subscribe option. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Instagram account and make sure you are logged in, and then go to your profile section. We have actually two ways of inviting friends on Facebook. So let's begin with it. So after tapping on your profile, you need to tap on the menu bar at the top right. And here, when you scroll down a bit, you can see the follow and invite friends option. Just tap on that option. And here you can see the contacts and people to follow. Here are different ways of inviting your friends on Instagram. So we're going to choose the last option, invite friends via. After tapping on it, you can see the bunch of options for applications. What you need to do is tap on this Facebook icon and tap on share and invite your Facebook friends on Instagram to follow you. And the next way is going back to your profile and onto your home page. After that, what you can do is tap on chats, and when you scroll down a bit under your chats, you can see this option called accounts to follow. Just tap on see all. And here you get to the page of discover people. So here you can see the very first option called connect to Facebook, follow your friends. Just tap on that option, connect. After a few seconds, you need to tap on continue to allow access. Just tap on continue. After that, select your birth date and tap on continue. After that, just finish adding your accounts. Just tap on yes, finish adding. It may take some few seconds. After that, you may sync your name and photo at the very moment, or you may just tap on not now. Right now, I'm tapping on not now. You may set it accordingly. And there you go. You have successfully connected your Facebook account and Instagram, which means you will be able to add your Facebook friends that are available in Instagram very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.